You should be aware of the basic definitions of the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. So if we're considering this angle here, theta, then we know the longest side is the hypotenuse, the side next to the angle is the adjacent, and the side opposite the angle is the opposite. Sine theta is defined to be the length of the opposite divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Cos theta, the length of the adjacent, divided by the length of the hypotenuse, and tan theta, the length of the opposite over the length of the adjacent. And of course we have the mnemonic so, car, toa to help us remember this. It's worth noting, because that's what we're going to be moving on to, that because this is in a right angle triangle, at the moment you only really know about the sine, cosine and tangent of angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, or 0 radians to pi by 2 radians. An acute angle is such that the sine of the angle is 3/5. Find the cosine and tangent of that angle. So let's draw a right angled triangle, and let's say this is the angle that we're interested in, theta. Now we're told about the sine, so that's the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now using Pythagoras, or just knowing the 3, 4, 5 triangle, tells us that this side here is 4. So we want to find the cosine, so cos theta is now adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 4/5, and tan theta is opposite over adjacent, so that's going to be 3/4.